Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to remotely connect to your Cognos server so you can do administrative tasks or create reports. So the goal here is to remotely connect to your Cognos server, and to do that we'll need to learn a little bit about where it's installed. So on the left here we can see that Cognos server. It does have Cognos installed, and that can be viewed in the previous video. So we need to know the computer name. We can do that by checking a few different methods, but here's one of them to check the host name, and it's simply called Cognos. And we also need to check that either you have the firewall settings set up correctly, like to allow HTTP traffic to come into the server. For my example here, I just have the firewall turned off, as you can see there. And then in the background on the right, we can see here's my PC, and if I ping that Cognos server, we can see it's talking to it. So we should be able to access it if it is hosting some kind of website. So now if I simply just try and access some default website on that server, it's not going to work. It's not going to come back with anything. So we need to learn a little bit more, and to do that we can simply just launch the Cognos Manager console, and that will in turn open up a Internet Explorer window, and here it gives us some of the information. And I'm not too sure if you noticed it, but the website got redirected. Originally in this area where I've highlighted, it's said manager, so that's what we need to type in on our client or my PC. If I just type in that web address, Cognos, with the appropriate port, 19300, in my example yours might be different, and then manager. If I type all that in, and if everything's working, I will get the login for Cognos, and I can do my normal tasks on my PC. This is kind of best practice because you don't want to install different browsers on your Cognos server. It's not something that's normally done. So you want to keep your server nice and fresh and keep as much crap off of it as you can. So again, I'll open up this console. Just keep an eye out for that redirect. It happened pretty quickly there. So that's a quick and easy way to check to see if your site is being published within your local network.